welcome back. We're now on part 2. So we're going to write each proportion in fraction form and then we're going to solve. So what percent of 80, whoops, I need my little pen there. What percent of 80 is 16? So if I have 16 over 80 and I need to figure out what the percentage, that's what we do not know. So I can write this out and figure out what I'm looking for. So even if I circle it in my problem, that's what I'm looking for. So what am I going to do here? Well, I can't multiply that easily, right? So I can reduce this. So I'm going to divide by 4 and I end up with 20. And now that makes it much easier to find because I just multiply this by 5 and this by 5. And that's going to be 20. So what is my percent here? My percent is 20%. All right, so I have 60%. What is 60% of 15? So what am I looking for? So the first thing is I think about how am I going to write this? What am I looking for? Well, I'm looking for how many I have out of 15. And I do know 60 always goes over 100. Now, again, I have to reduce this. So I can reduce this. And this is going to be divided by 3, right? And I still don't know what this is. But if I divide 100 by 5, that's going to give me, this is multiplied by 20. So I'm going to divide the 60 by 20, and that is going to give me 3. So my answer here is 3. All right, what percent? 9 is what percent of 30? So I'm looking for percentage. So this over here on the top is going to be blank because we don't know what that is, but I have 9 out of 30. Okay, and now I'm going to, again, reduce this by dividing. I'm going to divide both top and bottom by 3. And this is going to be 3. This is why equivalent fractions were so important in understanding fractions. I said you need to understand fractions to be able to do any of this. So now I can very easily multiply by 10 to get 100. So I'm going to multiply by the 3, and I have 30. And so I have 30%. Okay, going to the last problem here. I have 6 is 40% of what number? So I have 6 out of something and I don't know what that something is. So 6 out of, who knows? Oops, not over 100. That's silly. I'm just going to use my eraser. Okay. I want my pen. Yeah, okay. And I don't know what that is on the bottom. And then I have 40 on the top and 100 at the bottom there. And 6 doesn't easily multiply to get us 40, does it? No, it doesn't. This was actually supposed to be 30. We'll do other ones that are more complex later. Okay, so that was supposed to be 30. So if I multiply by 5 there, so I just need to divide by 5 there, and that's going to give me 20, so 6 out of 20. Okay, so there are very similar problems to this on the rest of the page with some word problems. If you're having some problems with the word problems, please make sure you're coming to the help sessions or if you're having any problems at all.